your people say Dalai Lama is the top liar, Babaji Dalai Lama, then I say, who is the real Dalai Lama? Yeah, it's clear, right? Who is the real Dalai Lama?
So we're saying fat Dalai Lama.
Who is the real Dalai Lama? Just say.
Dalai Lama.
Yeah, it's the real Dalai Lama. You don't know. So you don't know who is Dalai Lama. So why you say Dalai Lama is a liar? You say Dalai Lama stop lying. You don't know who's Dalai Lama. That's perfect.
I don't know who's the real Dalai Lama.
You don't know. Then why you say Dalai Lama stop lying? You don't know who's the Dalai Lama, then you say always the Dalai Lama stop lying. No. Then you say you can't practice doji shooting, so you cannot, right? You know how is practice shooting? Yeah. One more question. How practice shooting? Who is shooting?
Deutsche Schukten.
Yeah.
For us, Deutsche Schukten is.
Yeah, you're doji shooting. Okay.
How
You practice
long do you
now
know
doji shooting. How
doji
to practice doji shooting? Yeah, you say you cannot practice doji shooting. We disturb to you, right? Then you practice now. I see who disturb to you. Yeah, start with it. Yeah, please, you start now. You can practice now. I see.
I think you are
on the camera. Nobody is disturb to you. You can practice now. You can now start your practice now. We never disturb to you. Yeah, we can prove now on the camera. We can prove now. Yeah, you practice now. Start. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Start. We never disturb to you. 100%. I can signature to you. We never disturb to you, right? You don't know how to practice doji shooting, right? You don't know who is the doji shooting, right?
Keine Antwort und jetzt machen Sie weiter die Papiere verteilen.
You must a little bit more long. You don't know who's the Dalai Lama, how to practice doji shooting, but you say that Faji Dalai Lama stop liar. If you don't know person, then how do you know is the real, is the liar? You know? That is funny. I request to you, you must learn more.
Okay.
Right? Am I right? Yeah? Everybody, am I right or wrong? Yeah. Really?
Yeah, okay.
Why you do like this? If you don't know, you don't do like this. Yeah.
You don't.
That's funny. So funny. Right?
I think it's correct.
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 One more question. Your people flow all who spend the money. Yourself.
Aber
Where are you living?
Munich.
Munich to Zurich. How much you pay for flat?
I came by car.
Yeah. How much money?
oh, more teuer, more expensive.
How much you pay? Yeah.
Oh, not so much.
How much? Come directly tell me. You don't think you pay already. Why you think?
This is here.
You cannot say directly 300, 400. That means you don't pay.
I'm working in Switzerland. If I am reise everywhere, wie Sie sehen, oder? Wie Sie, wenn ich überall reise, meine Geld langt überhaupt das nicht. Ich wohne in ganz günstiger Wohnung in der Schweiz und ich verdiene jeden Monat, kriege alle Lohn. Aber wenn wir sehen jedes Video, irgendwo seine Heiligkeit ist, Sie sind dort, oder? Wie kann man das reisen? Wie kann man das reisen? Wie kann man das Geld? Wo kommt dieses Geld? Wenn ich wäre, selber, ich weiß das.
Leute haben eigenes Geld, manche Leute werden von anderen Leuten unterstützt.
Ja, aber Sie haben eine Unterstützung vom anderen, ganz sicher. Ja, das können wir schon prüfen. Ich verdiene nicht so wenig, ich verdiene genug, aber ich kann schon Ferien irgendwo kurz, aber seine Heiligkeit fast jeden Monat in Europa, Amerika, oder? Und Sie sind immer dort. Wie kann man das reisen? Wie kann man das Geld bekommen? Wie?
Die Leute geben sehr viel eigenes Geld, sehr viel.
Ja, genau. Aber wenn ich eigene Geld gebe für meine Reise, das kostet lang, nicht meine Lohn. Und Sie haben immer irgendwo, wir sehen jede die Leute sind gleich. Wie kann man das kommen? Ja, wie kann das Geld kommen? Das ist.
We are all Tibetan here. We cannot go back to China. We Tibet.
Yeah,
no? Some Tibet there, your people. I mean, they go to China.
Big in China.
Why? How to get?
Können Sie nach China einfach reisen? Ich weiß nicht genau, wie das. Sie können einfach China reisen. Beispiel, wir sind, Sie sagen, ich bin auch Flüchtlinge. Die Leute sind auch Papier steht Flüchtlinge Europa, Flüchtlinge Amerika. Aber die Leute können direkt nach China reisen. Einfach. Aber wir können nicht China reisen. Wie ist das? Was ist das?
Ich kann dir keine Antwort auf diese Sachen geben.
Ja, ich weiß das.
Ich kann dir nur sagen,
was
unser
hinter
Interesse, wir haben überhaupt kein Interesse an
You don't have any knowledge about Buddhism. You say something about that.
Die Tatsache ist, ihr habt eure Freiheit zum Glauben, was ihr wollt, wo ihr wollt, und sind Sie nicht propagieren, dass ihr keine Freiheit habt.
Genau so.
Es steht kein Mensch in eurem Weg. Glaubt ihr an was ihr wollt? Freiheit ist da, sind Sie einfach nicht da, und verteilen das. Das ist lächerlich.
Also ich gut.
We never try to say we are truth, you know. You can't get pure man. You must learn anymore, okay? This is my request to you, personal. We are same human being, that's why I request to you, okay? That's all, yeah. Maybe go inside and drink coffee and come back.
Go in freedom and practice what you want.
Back to home and sleep is bad.
Let us have peace, okay?
Yeah, we are always... May I know what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Helene Persson and I am from Sweden.
Why you join here?
To come to His Holiness the Dalai Lama's teaching, as I'm a follower of His Holiness and appreciate him so much.
So how you think some people protest to the Dalai Lama?
You mean the protests outside? I think this is very, very sad. First time I see this demonstration was in UK 2008 and I had no idea what it was about. And coming out from His Holiness teaching, happy, with good heart, and meet. Now I start to cry. I'm sorry. And see these angry people shouting outside. And I think it was so difficult. I asked people, but they could not explain much to me. So I tried to find out myself, but there was not so much information and I did not know where to get the information. And then I went to Oslo this year and I followed the Tibet course, and then it was same group. But this time I was prepared and I'm not angry with these people. I feel very sorry for them, because they are disturbing people who go to a teacher who want to create peace in the world. And now they are here and they are everywhere this year, as I've understood, because I followed this. And I hope it will change so they can come to peace. And as I understood, they are allowed to practice what they want. Yeah, so it's a choice for the person, and I don't have the karma for this kind of energy. Now it's not trouble for me anymore. I feel like I wish them good. I wish everyone good. I try to listen to His Holiness. Yeah.
They followed Dalai Lama all the world. Do you know who's behind these people?
No, I have no idea. But as where do they get money for this planning? Yeah, I've been reading this, and they have buses. They are very well organized. This is what I've seen. So, well, they get money from somewhere. Somebody is sponsoring it, I think. Might be the Chinese, because they are not so happy with His Holiness, as I understand. But I have no proof, so I'm just an ordinary person, you know. Yeah. So
thank you for joining us.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I'm always happy to attend His Holiness teaching and public talk, because it gives so much. But once I went to Nottingham, and very happy I got outside and met this group who also is here now protesting. And this was kind of shock for me. I was very sad about the behavior, because because it didn't feel like a Buddhist way of acting. And since then I received information and tried to understand. And later on I had a Facebook account, and I know His Holiness is also at Facebook. I'm very happy with that. And I just accepted whoever asked for friendship. It's just like at distance. But after a while, I got a contact with a teacher from abroad, and his student wanted to be a friend with me, and I just said yes. But after a while, maybe it took 1 year, I felt more and more uncomfortable. And I found out, I was not sure because I did not have any proof, but many of these people were Shuddha. And I didn't know what to do. But one night I had a dream. I felt really uncomfortable. I had a dream. And in the morning I wake up and had dreamed His Holiness take my hand, and then I had a feeling, yes, come here. Don't be afraid of these people. Now the question. My question. It took me 5 years to step forward here and say this. Can I please take His Holiness hand for you?
Yes, I think, as I mentioned earlier, it's out of ignorance. And these people, does it believe? Oh, that's very important. So, the group organization, they carry thorough research. They produced one book about 4 centuries history, and all points more detailed sort of explanation. So I hope, hopefully, English translation and different language translation, I hope it will eventually come. And then you will know the important is we should know the whole truth. Should not lie one individual is a very biased sort of attitude. Then also you see, like one Burmese monk, Buddhist monk, even you see the Time magazine called Terrorist Buddhist. So little bit so fundamental because of the fanatics. So it is very important to study, to research, and listen to both sides of information. That's it. Okay. Thank you. They enjoy freedom of speech, freedom of expression. But this, the issue, not something new. 4-century-old history. This happened, start 17th century, during 15th, I don't know. So then, last nearly 4 centuries, most prominent spiritual leaders in Tibet, including Yellowhead sect, most prominent spiritual leaders consider this is evil spirit. So out of my own ignorance, I also, you see, some contact so some kind of worship. Since 1951 till late 60. Then I realized there's something wrong. because my senior tutor very much against this spirit. So then I carry thorough research, 4 centuries history. Then it became very clear. So this is evil spirit. So very harmful. The 5th Dalai Lama is the Merlon Lope Tansi Jumbo. Then the draw the Sawa Chivas, so then I stopped practice that. Then eventually some monastic college, they also developed some doubt, who just recently they started worship. And then they face some negative consequences. So then they asked me, what are the causes? Then I investigate again, because they newly developed some contact with this spirit. So then eventually, word go spread. So then they set up one sort of organization. So then some murder case, the local Dharamsala, the local Indian police, thorough investigation, they found some of their Shundan group involved. They murdered 3 persons very near my place. And then also South India, India. So they, each place, local Indian police, is reported in Kazakh. It's only this year, Kazakh. In Interpol. Like that. So, I never ban. It's individual freedom. Right from the beginning, I express, it is my duty. Make clear what's the truth. Whether people listen or not, up to them. And then, one serious matter, they're very, very sectarian. I follow 2nd Dalai Lama, 3rd Dalai Lama, 5th Dalai Lama, the non-sectarian way. So I follow non-sectarian. So they very much criticize. Like that. They are very, very sectarian. Like that.